from what them want make a post and say thanks everybody who vote for me on the award show. My post and them say Caribbean R&B dancer of the year, and I see Foota hype comment and I say, what kind of R&B artist play, baby? Big up Foota, because Foota never violate. Foota is a man who always see me and show me strength and vibe. But I just want to say one thing. He's a Jamaican, born, grew at Jamaica, left, come to New York City and grew at New York. And when me come at them say, you can't bust from foreign, or the hardest thing, you can't do it, you have to do this, after that. I'm there, I'm going to crack the code and create a blueprint for many other artists. Many other artists. You understand? And me as a man, me no hype, me no like fuck, me no mix up, me no like the mixing thing, me just hold my own and do my own thing. And I just want to say, me no want a man downplay my contribution in this. Because some of the time I feel like the humble of the artist is sometimes when I forget. You know what I mean? And that is not even for them fault forget.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and as you can see, pan on the screen. Yeah, people have a whole heap of deal with another video, so it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. So let's just finish it off with Kranium, because you know I'm not too pleased with the people them say in Bossa, New York, America, and not to Jamaica, so they don't respect, you know, his craft and his talent, you see me?
Because some of the time we as artists, we're true, we're talented, we go on like we want people know what we do. But at the end of the day, I just want to say this. I make music based off of my environment. You understand? That's what I make. And if you not believe me, go back, go listen to my first album from Rumors. You know what I mean? Wait till me come up with We Can and Can't Believe and Last Night and In Charge and Stamina and Buy What You Want Buy and Girl Policy and all of these songs based off of my environment. You know what I mean? And I'm not out here claiming to be no R&B artist, but what I will say is I came in this game and I make sure say I mix my R&B with my dancehall and be real to myself. And I see enough artists today I sing the R&B with the dancehall thing. I'm happy. You see me? I'm happy as fuck because me know how hard it is and how hard it was when me I crack the code for come to the game. You see me? So big up everybody who vote for me and everybody who understand, and all of the industry people that know say that you deserve everything we might get. You know what I mean? A new music will come, a new EP, big up on yourself.
Yeah, let me know if you're feeling what he's saying in the comment section. And honestly, he's saying the right things because everybody wants to bust internationally while speaking. And that's where the big bucks is, and that's what he accomplished. And I guess true, nobody never bust him. Like, you know, Foota heavy busting people. Yeah, them can't, you know, say them do that, you see me? Nevertheless, me see a video earlier today with some people catching some people wanting for pies in them water tank. Yeah, my peeps, let's take a look at what go on for not to go on, you see me?
Boy, throw the bunner into. See, there, connect up to my bathroom, connect up to run in my kitchen, connect up to everything in the house, and then throw the bunner in at the tank. Alright. This is the grass. I'm going to throw the water on. See it there? See the grass there? This is the grass that I threw the water and I took out of the black tank. See it there, people? See it there, burning.
Yeah, God is the greatest, because if she never make it, you know, to catch the culprit in the act, she probably wouldn't make it for tell her no, or she's feeling right now, you see me?
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm here with a very disturbing message. One that entails my brother, my blood brother. Same mother, same father. We are second and third children of 6 for our mother. The both of us have the same mother, same father, same bloodline, everything. My brother came home with a woman. Him and him baby mother living at the same house. Him come home with a different woman. Him baby mother come home from work and catch him with the woman. I'm a brother, my blood brother of the heart. If he threaten me and my other siblings and tell me, say, oh, I'm go F we up because of me call him baby mother and tell him baby mother say him have woman at the yard. Nothing no go so, you know. Him just a speculate. Alright. That happened the Thursday night, people. The Friday morning, me get up. I have a dentist appointment to carry my children and go to the dentist, go get them teeth clean for back to school. I made up on a rush. And me turn on the pipe. Me I catch water for make breakfast. And my father turn on the pipe. When him turn on the pipe, he said, "No, miss. That water here look like something wrong with the water. The water blue and soddy." Me called to my mother look on the water and she said it looked like a bunner or something in the water. I call my stepfather. My stepfather come and start cuss. Say, who could I throw a bunner or GRAMOXONE in the black tank of water? Remember people, my brother checked me from the night before. The Friday morning, I wake up to my black tank, a 6,000 gallon tank, full of bunner or a GRAMOXONE. I call my children and my godfather, I said to the man, say, when you throw poison in the water turn blue or what? Him said to me, say, if you throw GRAMOXONE in the bunner, something about GRAMOXONE or bunner, you have one bunner with blue and you have one bunner with green or a GRAMOXONE, I don't remember. But people, the water poison my brother, my blood brother, poison the tank of water. With him nieces and nephew living at the same house as me. A old man living at the house. Much people living at the house. Of total 6 people of total living at the house. Children when not do him nothing. And the man poison the water where everybody in the house are use. Because of a woman. Because a woman we can't catch him in the house, people. My brother do that to me, my brother. The same mother, same father, same bloodline. The brother when me and him grow like twin a come up, everybody can tell you know. When no mother have we, it come like we are twin because we born 1 year apart. Him born 91 and me born 92. And my mother raised we like twin. My mother raised we like twin. You never see one and no see the other. From baby days come straight up till now a woman and man make we separate from one another. And bad livity. I'm a brother. My blood brother. Poison after. If kill me and kill my baby, them tell me what kind of heart you have. And when me see the water, only thing me can look upon, and my baby them lie down in front of me. And me say to myself, say, God, I wonder if that boy, when that boy had throw the poison in the water, if him did ever think say him daughter or him son come down and my house come eat or drink or anything because him pitney them live on me yard. And I know so when him a do it, he never did that thing clearly. Because I know so we grew, I know so we mother raised we. So I don't know where them hatred come from between me and my brother that mother poison off everybody in my household. Because a woman. In the morning, Friday morning, Friday just gone. After we find out so the water poison and we get the police involved. We call Christiana transfer it to Spalding's police. We call Spalding transfer it to Mandeville. We call Mandeville transfer it to Kendall. Kendall police came. The police examined the water. Him climb up on the top of the black tank. And him say him cannot see anything in the tank because the tank black. However, him can smell the chemical essence coming from the black tank. Right? You can smell the chemical essence coming from the black tank. However, there is nothing you can do about it. Because we never see the person, my brother, we never see him throw the poison in the water. So there's nothing they can do about it. However, them are going to warn him about the threat we make. Them take my statement, them I don't even know if them find him. Them take my statement. Them say to me, say, Mommy, don't throw away the water. Keep it for further evidence. Right? The police say the water cannot be tested and there's nothing they can do about it. But I must keep the water. I must seek out for other advice. The person reach out to me and tell me, say, Miss, do not throw away the water. The water is evidence. And anybody tamper with that water is going to be in serious problem. All right. I went back to Spalding's police station to file an official report. Up and going to Spalding's, me get a phone call. Say my mother, the mother we birthed the two away. Call him and call my brother and said to my brother, say, me hear said the girl gone a station, gone file report against you. Go on down a station, go clear your name. Right? My mother, you know people, my mother will birth the two away. When me reach a Spallings and go down to the police station, my brother reach there before me, reach at the station to go clear him name before me reach a Spalding. Where you go down, they go clear your name, say. There wasn't a statement made there, yet, when you reach down there, according to them, they say ain't go clear him name because you don't have nothing to do with the poison being in the drum. So if you don't have nothing to do with it, where you go clear your name, say? Alright. All was said and done, and me pass him in the streets to one friend, him a show people, me and say, see the dirty girl there? We a tell lie pa me say, yes, see me ya. What I go do ya? Who ya tell what I go conduct to me? Me attack up for me right and me attack up for me pitney them cause you wicked. Friday passed off. Saturday come. Yesterday Saturday. Me dey home whole day, me no go nowhere. I don't hear nobody come at me yard, nobody nothing. Me leave me yard 5 o'clock. I go Spalding, me went to the supermarket. I never spent half an hour at the supermarket. And by the time I come back, my baby father called me attention to the grass when I throw the bun of water upon the grass, burn up people. And I say, alright, I go take the video of the black tank now. And I go take the video of the water and the grass and post it. And people, when I do so bop and go at the pipe, go turn on the lock off. Remember the police tell me, say, turn off the lock off. And me turn on the lock off and come down at my house bottom and turn on the pipe outside. When me I try turn on the pipe already turn on and turn out. No water now come out of the pipe. Remember, the police said nobody should tamper with the evidence. Me left me yard less than half an hour. And when me come back, the criminal, him and his mother, my mother, empty the tank of water. Now tell me which side she depend. My side or the side of justice or the side of our grandchildren them where she shouldn't stand up for say no, if you poison your sister tank, you're wrong. If you try to kill off of your sister, you're wrong. If you try to kill off of your nieces and nephew, you're wrong. You should have never poison your sister. If she do you something and you want to get back at her, find a different way. What kind of mind you have? No, my mother don't do that. My mother take her son's side like the good mother she is. My mother not like me. My mother not love me. My mother, I don't know if because me favor my father and my brother favor she. My mother have a hatred for me. So anything where my brother say from childhood days coming up till now, my mother side with him. When my brother wrong, I me get the beating. Anything he do, I me get the backlash. Some of the time when he do some things and get himself in a trouble, me say, God, you are such a good God. Thank your father, me never there when they can hear that ear say I'm midwheat. That's how bad it is. My mother take him side. I come now, turn on the pipe, no water. I say, alright. I said to me, father, say, then turn out, them let out the water out of the tank where the police say nobody enough to trouble the water. Call back the police and see what go on. The police, them, it take a while for the police, them come. Alright. When the police, them come to me and ask me, where is the person? Carry him to down at the yard where down at my mother yard where my brother there and we stand up and them attack. The police call him and attack to him. The policeman said, did you poison the drum of water? No, officer. What did you do to the drum of water? Nothing. What are you to this lady here that filed a complaint against you? Him saying, sister. The police said to him, say, you that really kill off your sister, your nieces and nephew? My mother fly up long time. Bad word, bad word, bad word, bad word. And the girl are wicked and this. Me, she attack her daughter, what she put out. Boy, she push out. What she give birth to. 1992. She attack about. The police calm down the situation. Send my brother for him ID. To take a picture. What you want him ID for? What you gonna do? You saw that girl the wicked? Call police on me yard for lock up her brother. This and that and horse dead and cow fat. All of this not necessary. We're just trying to settle the confrontation. They never have to trouble the water. Why they trouble the water? My mother blurt out and say she empty the water. She talk to somebody and she want to prove for herself. Say the bun in the water. First place, when everything come out in the ear, she say, I know our son throw the bun in the water. Our son, where our son I go get bun from in the hours a night. Remember, my mother is a farmer. My mother plant too much acres of yam, planting, sweet potato, carrot, everything you can think of. She have her chicken, she have pig, she have goat, she have everything. My mother a farmer. She have every farmer chemical you can think about. And yet, I don't know if when she talk, after we talk to her about the water, she talk. I don't know if she knows that nobody did listen to her. She say when her son has circle the house in the night, I go around a fear house, she don't know where he might look for. But she say when him go around the house. And I was there in the house, me never da sleep or nothing. Me hear the rumblings from the house, but I thought it was a dog. Never take it for nothing. After that, I smell one little burning scent. I want to come at my front door and look through the window. I see my brother build a big fire topside the house. Say my burn rubbish in the hours and night, 10 o'clock. I never pay it no mind because I go at my bed. Anyways, back to the argument. My mother say, one of my cousins tell her, say, if you take out some of the water out of the drum and throw it on the grass and watch it. Half tank of water, people, half tank of water. And she said she take out 2 buckets of water out of the tank. When I took the water from the tank, I took a paint pan of water and threw it on the grass. She take out 2 buckets of water out of the tank for throw upon grass to watch grass burn. The paint pan of water burn up the grass. What you think the 2 buckets of water going to do to the grass? Yet you take out 2 buckets of water out of the tank, and when I come the tank empty. But guess what? Them a plan and got a wipe. Them a plan and got a wipe because me did done already have my evidence put on. So anything where my mother any evidence where my mother want destroy for protect her son, you lose. Gotta fight my battle, you lose. You lose again. And I'll forever be a God bless speaking because you can't kill me if you get what me. You know for me I come from? You know for me I come from? Me start build my house in 2018. Pregnant, I build my house. My mother no give me nothing. My mother no help me do nothing. My mother offer me money. She said to me, she come to me one day and said she give me 100,000 to finish the house. People may be like 2-bedroom, bathroom, kitchen and living room and veranda. My mother give me 100,000 to left my baby father and finish the house with the 100,000. What can 100,000 do? Me owe more than 100,000 over the years. Me finish my house. I live with my baby father. I have my children them. I live with an elderly man. I am God blessed because I keep on doing good for people. So God has blessed me. I finished my house in 2022, 23. Finish up. When me put on the last door in 2024 and start moving on my house, the same brother, my blood brother begs with me. Because I'm moving on my house. Tell me. What kind of heart you have if you try poison your sister, your little sister, your smaller sister? We are trying to make a life for her and our pitney them. What kind of heart you have in you? Me, we care for you, we would have do everything for you and your pitney them. What kind of heart you have in you?
Wow, it's sad every time I look at African people in Jamaica, man. It's like when it's still stuck in the 1600s, people using water for votes, road for votes, people asking donkey instead of tractor trailers. You see, some people, and it really don't make no sense. For no, literally. Here making $100 a week. That's like $3,000 Jamaican a day. And by the time you use transportation fee and buy lunch, the money done. And you're back to stuck paying bills, so you have to commit crime. You see, some people, your politicians don't care about and the person don't care about themselves. You know what I mean? JLP is not good, and PNP is not good either because them had the opportunity to free up the economy and strengthen the dollar and alleviate the stress on the head, but them signed back the contract with JPS. The poverty tool keep undermine that lower class bottom. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, it's a whole lot. You people are involved in politics right now, you see me, I say. But nevertheless, I'm just giving them a quick update while I go on for that, go on, you see me. Bless.